The art of muting, mastering your video call etiquette. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're going to tackle a crucial skill in the modern world: video call etiquette, specifically focusing on the ins and outs of the mute button. Let's dive into the essentials of using the mute button on your device. First and foremost, the mute button is a key feature in video call applications. This button allows you to turn off your microphone, preventing others in the call from hearing any sound from your end. The symbol for the mute button is usually a microphone with a line through it. Depending on the application you're using, the mute button may be located in different parts of the screen, but it's usually at the bottom. The mute button should be your best friend during a video call. It is commonly used in situations where you need to eliminate background noise that may distract others on the call. If you're not speaking, it's a good idea to stay on mute. This reduces the chances of unintentional interruptions and helps maintain the flow of the conversation. Remember, being on mute when not speaking is a sign of respect to the speaker and shows that you're attentive to the discussion. When it's your turn to speak, simply unmute your device. Most applications allow you to do this by clicking or tapping the mute button once again. But remember, before you start talking, it's always polite to ensure that the person who was previously speaking has finished. An easy way to do this is by using phrases like, "May I add something?" or "Is it okay if I interject here?" After you've finished speaking, don't forget to put yourself back on mute. Here are some best practices when it comes to using the mute button. 1. Stay on mute when not speaking. This is one of the cardinal rules of video call etiquette. It eliminates any unwanted background noise. 2. Always check your status. Before you start to speak, always check if your microphone is unmuted. It can be quite awkward if you've been talking while on mute. 3. Use visual cues. If you're in a larger group, use visual cues like raising your hand or using in-app reactions to signal that you want to speak. This way, you can be unmuted and ready when it's your turn. 4. Avoid abrupt noises. If you know you're about to create a noise, such as coughing or moving around, quickly mute your microphone. That's it, everyone. We've covered the art of using the mute button during video calls. By understanding when and how to mute and unmute your device, you can enhance your video call etiquette. We hope this lesson was helpful and made you a bit more confident for your next online meeting or class. Happy calling, and remember, the mute button is your friend. See you in our next lesson.